7 months after the so-called WannaCry cyber attack struck the UK's national health system, forcing doctors to turn away patients and divert ambulances, and paralyzing hundreds of thousands of computers in more than 150 countries across the globe, Washington is blaming the Democratic People's Republic of Korea for the attack.
We've got analysts all over the world, but also deep and experienced analysts within our intelligence community that looked at not only the operational infrastructure, but also the tradecraft and the routine and the behaviors that we've seen demonstrated in past attacks.
In response to the announcement, UK Foreign Office Minister Lord Nazir Ahmed said, quote, "The indiscriminate use of the WannaCry ransomware demonstrates North Korean actors using their cyber program to circumvent sanctions." Back in 2014, the Obama administration publicly accused Pyongyang of also ordering the Sony Pictures attack, but the U.S. didn't retaliate publicly, and there's no evidence it served as deterrence.
Shaming by itself is really not necessarily going to get you very far. So I do think that we should anticipate, and in fact there is going to be a need for a more active response capability and a more focused response capability by which it's going to be possible to put the squeeze on probably the hosts of this kind of activity.
At the same time, the U.S. and other nations have increased international sanctions to get Pyongyang to give up its nuclear weapons program. The U.S. has also moved 3 carrier strike groups to the Pacific. And just days ago, a U.S. lawmaker and presidential confidant Lindsey Graham told a U.S. magazine, quote, "I would say there's a 3 in 10 chance we use the military option." Graham said if Pyongyang tested a 7th nuclear bomb, the odds would rise to 70%.
The risk of miscalculation is going way up as a result of the trajectory that North Korea is on.
Moscow and Beijing continue to push Pyongyang to come back to the negotiating table. And in the coming days, all eyes will be on Kim Jong-un's New Year's address, where he'll set the stage for 2018 and could indicate whether he's ready to come back to talks. Jessica Stone, CGTN, Washington.